So a lot of people are wondering, why would you want to be minimalist with your laundry if you're only going to wear the same amount of clothes every day? It's been the best thing we've ever done. It really cut down on the amount of hassle. And if you have less stuff accumulating in the corners of your house and your bedrooms, it's visually less and you don't have to rifle through a bunch. I cannot picture it as like if you had a bunch of sheets and towels and clothes and you have to move this big of a pile of stuff around your house every week. It's a lot to deal with. But if you pare down and only have a few of what you need, you might do laundry more often, but you could have a smaller pile, like maybe 4 wheelbarrows full. The only downside to that, I guess, is clothes wear out faster. But if you get quality stuff, you don't have to buy it as often. Or if you like new things more often, you don't feel so bad because you wore out what you bought. So I hope that clears up the question about why you would want to be minimalist with your laundry. Thanks for stopping by our channel, and we hope to see you again soon.